Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off Pin app on Samsung Galaxy A54. So if you have the Samsung Galaxy A54 and now you want to turn off Pin application so that each time you choose to pin an application on your device, then it will no longer come up again, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app. So on the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on security and privacy. Under security and privacy, scroll down, click on more security settings. Now scroll down the page until you get to advanced. Under advanced, locate pin app and then toggle it off. Now once toggle off pin app under security and privacy, if you want to pin any application on your Samsung Galaxy A54, click on the app logo, then you should see pin app not available. You see that? So that's exactly how to turn off pin app on Samsung Galaxy A54. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.